Greetings. Welcome to the Asana Kitchen. I'm David Garrigues. Welcome, Derica. Thank you.
Hi, David.
So we're going to look at Vatayanasana today as a hip opening posture. The way to get the maximum range of motion in your hip joint in this pose is to make it as much like Samastitihi as possible, which is very hard to do. You can understand immediately the challenge of making this pose like Samastitihi. You see how her pelvis is tipped forward, her torso is in front of the vertical axis? There are ways to improve that though. Improve your vertical positioning and then get more kind of opening through the groin area and keep your pelvis as neutral as possible rather than be forward here. What you're trying to do is set up the easiest circumstances to get as upright as possible. Now look at that positioning. This is beautiful. So really lift up your Uddiyana Bandha and lengthen your tail. Okay, so now this to me is how you maximize the hip work in Vatayanasana. Now the trick is to start walking the foot closer and keeping your upright position. So Derica, try to like half the distance. So you took your foot nice and wide away from your knee, and now bring it in about half the distance and try to keep that very nice upright position. And remember people, you can work on the pose without taking the arms up into the classic position. So if you keep your arms down, you can focus on your lower body. And so both versions are good. Yes, Derica, this is super. One thing you can do, people, when you're bringing your foot close to your knee, you can lift the heel, and that makes it a little bit easier. But you can see she has a much more upright position than she first demonstrated in the beginning of the video. And the struggle for balance that she is undergoing is excellent. Okay, that's part of the work in this pose. It's a wonderful balance pose that is part of the meditation, is to take that inherently unstable position and make it stable. So thank you for joining me for the Asana Kitchen video, and thank you, Derica. And remember to subscribe to my channel.